is Chef Sid from Siddhartha's Indian Kitchen, Commercial Drive, East Vancouver. The best thing I like about British Columbia is we get so much salmon here and fresh, and it's very easily available. Like, every third or fourth block we have one shop, and they have so much of salmon, and the prices are very good. Again, we're gonna make this dish, that dish. The gas is always there for us. We just can't think that my kitchen is running without anything like without a gas or something. Easily granted that we're just gonna go to the kitchen. We always worry about other ingredients, but one thing we are always assured is the one thing there is called gas.